My name is Michael Mushket and I'm the product manager here at Weinig, USA. Today I want to talk to you about the Powermat 700 Hybrid. Just a little bit history about the name of the machine. So the Powermat 700 is around for a couple of years now. We do have two models here in the United States. That's the Powermat 700 Eagle and the Powermat 700 Powerlock. About last year, 2 years ago, we introduced a new model to the family, and that's the Powermat 700 Hybrid. Hybrid because it's a mix between the Eagle and the PowerCom machine. Some of the key features on this machine, or the most important, where the name comes from, is hybrid because we have 3 spindles. It's a 6-spindle machine. We have 3 spindles and 3 Powerlock tool holders on this model. For the spindles, we have 2 variations. We have 1.5" spindles or 1 13/16 spindles. We're using the spindles on the first bottom, the first top, and the second bottom spindle. Powerlock tool holders are used on the right head, on the left head, and on the second top head. This has the purpose that we're using the Powerlock tool holders only where they are required the most, and those are basically the heads that are changed the most when we're doing a changeover from profile to profile. It also helps us from a price perspective, brings the price of a Powerlock machine a little bit down and makes it more attractive for more customers. I want to point out some of the features on this machine. First of all machines, all Powermat 700s come standard with marathon coating on the bed plates and the fences. We're also using the control system PowerCom. PowerCom is communicating with the machine and sending the information to the different spindles and show you where they have to be positioned. The Powermat 700 Hybrid that we see in this video today has a working width of 9 1/16 of an inch. It's a 6-spindle machine. On this machine we have CNC positioning on the left head radially. The 2 top heads move up and down, and the feed beam is also CNC controlled. The rest of the spindles are adjusted by a crank handle menu. All axes on this machine, including the chip breakers and pressure shoes, are equipped with digital counters. Those counters will show you 2 numbers controlled by a PowerCom where every axis has to be positioned. The Powermat 700 Hybrid has 6,000 RPM on the first bottom spindle, 8,000 RPM on spindle 2 through 6. This will allow us to run the machine at a feed speed of approximately 45 feet a minute in order to achieve a 16 knife marks per inch finish cut on our material. All spindles are started and stopped via frequency converters. This is a very reliable way to start and stop our spindle motors. It's also very energy efficient. With the Powermat 700 Hybrid and the Powerlock heads only on some of the spindles, it's a great machine to transition from a traditional spindle molder to a Powerlock machine. Thank you very much for watching this video. For more information, please contact your local Weinig rep.